Hello students, myself Dr. C.R. Chaugule, Head Department of English, Gopal Krishna Gokhale College, Kolhapur. This lecture is for the students of BA First, Optional English. Name of the paper first is Modern Writing in English Translation for the semester first. Unit second is Short story as a minor form of literature. Types of short story. The stories in the past were not written. They were transmitted orally from one generation to another. Naturally, the narrator would add something of his own and even drop a part of the story he had heard. Thus, additions carried the stories forward from generation to generation. Critics and researchers have identified different types. The types we are going to look into are anecdote, drabble, fable, fagot, flash diction, frame story, and parable. Let us look into them one by one. However, we will begin with legend, though it is not belong to our list. Legend is a type of folklore which includes narrator where human action is the dominating feature. The storyteller and the listener both believe that the story had actually taken place sometime in human history. They have qualities like human actions, human nature that make the listener believe that they are based on truth. However, they may include miracles. The legend of Robin Hood and the King Arthur are the good examples of famous legends from the Western literature. First type of short story is anecdote. Marathi meaning is akhyayika. An anecdote is a short story of something interesting and amusing. Normally, it is a story about a real person or incident. But it is not always so. There are fictitious anecdotes also. An anecdote is generally used to support a point made by the speaker or writer. In other words, it is an example in support of his point. Normally, an anecdote is short, but there is no specific limit about its length. We find anecdotes that are occasionally humorous, but they differ from jokes because the aim of an anecdote is not to provide laughter, but to reveal some truth or some confidence in the life of a person. Second type, drabble. A drabble is a short piece of fiction, usually of exactly 100 words in length, not including the title. The purpose of a drabble is extreme brevity and to test an author's skill of expressing himself or herself meaningfully and interestingly in a very confined space. The concept of drabble is said to have born in England in 1980s. It began as a contest to write something in 100 words. A theme is given to the participants and they are to develop it in a story from within a certain amount of time. Next type, fable. Marathi meaning of fable is Dantakatha. Fable is a very ancient form of telling stories. It can be defined in simple terms as a tale with a moral in the end. According to another definition, a fable is a story where animals are the leading characters. Unlike an anecdote, a fable is a 100% imaginary story. We see animals, trees, and inanimate objects behaving like human beings in these stories. The main aim is to teach some lesson to the reader or listener. The writer of a fable is called fabulist. The purpose of fable is to teach, instruct, or give some moral lesson. At the end of a fable, the moral is stated in clear-cut words. Fables are found in nearly every language of the world in written or oral form. The word fable is derived from the Greek word fabula, which means story. Next type, fagot. Fagot is an interesting type of short story. At the end of it, there is a pun. A pun is a figure of speech which is also known as word play. Normally, a fagot is a light of science from fiction aimed at pure entertainment. The very name fagot is derived from the name of the character Ferdinand Fagot, who is a member of the aesthetic rearrangement of history. And he is one of who finally solves the riddle posed in the story. This journey dates back to 1956 when a Russian-born American named Reginald Brenetor, who wrote and published in various periodicals 80 such stories under the pen name Grenald Breton. Next type, that is flash fiction. Flash fiction is a fictional work of extreme brevity, and yet it has a plot and character developments in it. The roots of flash fiction go back to the prehistory period. Parables are the parts of flash fiction according to some critics. Aesop's fables and Panchatantra as well as Jatak-katha are looked at flash fictions. This form has developed so fast and in so different directions that it is difficult to define it. The next type, frame story. Frame story, though the name is in Western, it is a gift of Eastern world to the Western drama. As a frame story is also known as a frame tale or a nested narrator. It is a literary technique of placing a story within a story. The purpose of doing so is introduction to the main narrative or a series of narratives. So, frame story is a story within a story. It deals the reader and leads from reader's first story into another smaller one. Of course, one is not the limiting factor. They may a series of such frame stories within one main narrative. The best example of this frame story is the Mahabharata. Then last type of the short story is parable. Marathi meaning is Rupak Katha. A parable is a simple story used to illustrate a moral or a spiritual lesson. It is a short, simple story that reveals and teaches or explains an idea, especially a moral or religious idea. It is a brief, didactic story in a prose or verse that illustrates some moral lesson or principle. The word parable comes from the Greek word means comparison. It illustrates a universal truth and in a simple narrative. It sketches a setting, describes an action and shows the results. Let us see the conclusion. As we know, the stories in the past were not written. These stories were transmitted orally from one generation to another. An anecdote is generally used to support from a point made by the speaker or writer. For testing author's skill, Drabble must write within 100 words. Fable ends with moral, but Fagut ends with pun. Plot and character developed in flash fiction and frame story is within one main narrative. Parable is used to illustrate a spiritual lesson. Thanks for listening me carefully and attentively. Thank you.